Hey guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade, natural, and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oils. So for the $29.99, this is also including the shipping. It's free shipping. You get the 5 to 6 skincare items. This is a recurring subscription, but it can be canceled at any time. You are under no obligation. So this here is my box for July, and it smells delicious. So let's go get into this box and see what I received. This is called Berry Blast Body Conditioner. It's a shower body lotion made of argan oil, olive oil, shea butter, and vegetable glycerin that is a great time saver. So after you shower, you apply a quarter-sized amount all over and allow to penetrate for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and pat dry, and presto, no need to apply additional moisturizer. Well, doesn't that sound neat? Yeah, I'm ready to just jump in the tub and try this one. It smells just as it's called, Berry Blast, and the fact that it's all natural, it's just, look forward to this. All right, so let's see what I have next in my box of goodies here. So this is called Glazed Donut Bath Soak. A fun-sized, cute bath donut infused with kale and clay, mango butter, cocoa butter, and grapeseed oil, along with the decorative pink cocoa butter glaze. This warm and inviting bath soak will help you to relax, de-stress, and sleep better. We've added kale and clay to this soak for gentle exfoliation, toning, softening, and moisturizing. And it looks pretty delicious, so be careful not to eat that one, right? All right, so we have another one that I thought that she's put a cookie in the box. So this is called Bath Cookie. It's an adorable oatmeal cookie for the bath that will leave skin silky and soft, made with soothing oatmeal milk, Epsom salt, cocoa butter, and mango butter. Simply drop into the tub and allow to dissolve. Swish a bit to disperse, then soak and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so the next one is a Confetti handmade soap. She always puts handmade soaps in here, and this smells so good. I can actually smell it through the package. So this is it's a party in a soap, moisturizing handmade cold processed soap with pops of pretty confetti and scented with natural juicy watermelon. These soaps are all natural. They are so moisturizing and they smell so good. I use them monthly. All right, so the last item looks delicious too, but we're not going to eat this because it's soap as well. So this is called Very Berry Icebox Cake Soap. It's a handcrafted raspberry and blueberry ice box cake soap that smells and looks good enough to eat. It's made with skin-pampering goat's milk and scented with a natural wild blueberry fragrance. Oh my goodness, and this one smells so good too. I don't know, the whole box smells so good. I don't know exactly which one I'm smelling, but it's a fruity, just delicious, clean smell, this whole box. So those are my 5 items for the month of July. We have the Confetti soap, the Very Berry Icebox Cake Soap, the Bath Cookie, Glazed Donut Bath Soak, and the Berry Blast Body Conditioner. Now this card says celebrate, like that's the theme. There should be some fruity theme on here. Let's see what this says. Make every day a party, celebrate and embrace the beauty you are. Celebrating you. That you are a unique beauty that you bring to this world. So yeah, everything just smells so good. This is a delicious looking box, isn't it? I don't know, you want to eat it or jump in the tub, but what do you guys think? What do you guys think of Beauty by Francesca this month? If you enjoy it and you enjoy her products, you're really going to like next month because she's sending a free box to one of my subscribers. That's right. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And next month when I post the giveaway video, which is going to be a whole different group of her products for the month of August, you can get in on the giveaway. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.